I'm Jo Verdi, I'm the Finance Director at Ardonagh Specialty. We are an insurance brokerage based in London and we have companies all over the world. We have about 1,800 people company-wide and we're currently setting up Concur.
My name is Victoria Amos. I am a strategic consultant with Consilio. We are a boutique spend management certified implementation partner of SAP Concur, covering travel, expense and invoice. We work with both standard and professional versions of Concur, and we look to assist clients on their implementation journey, optimization and beyond.
So we've just acquired a group of companies, so we had various different expense ways of expensing. We had some that are on Excel sheets, we had some using Chrome River, and we've had one company already using Concur, so we decided that Concur would be the best solution and we opted for that. I've previously used it and think it's great, and it was agreed amongst sort of most of the team that that would also be the best option, so we went for Concur. The business manager that we had at Concur gave me the option of, you know, we've got these guys or these guys. I met with both, just felt that I gelled better with Consilio and the team and their approach to things, and thought it'd be a really good idea if we went down that route, and they've been great ever since, so thumbs up.
In the initial stages of my contact with Jo and the team at Ardonagh, we essentially discussed their existing processes, the pain points and the hurdles that they needed to overcome. From that, based on their delivery timelines, the implementation timeline, we planned a way forward, set up workshops, sessions with the wider accounts payable and finance team to ensure that their requirements are met. The end users will receive what they need in terms of a user interface and, you know, understand the process moving forward, but also that management, etc., compliance requirements are included in that delivery also.
I think we've forged quite a good relationship with Consilio. Obviously, I've got the standing relationship with Concur, and the guys here are great. It's just quite nice to have a partner on our sides as well to help me along the way, because I've sort of implemented Concur previously on my own as a project manager. And I didn't know as much as I thought I knew, and having Victoria and Consilio on board has been great because their knowledge bank is quite vast, so it's really helpful.
Working with Jo and the team at Ardonagh has been a really good process. They're very engaged in the delivery of the project, and they were able to articulate very well what their needs were, their requirements. They're under quite a time sort of pressured implementation timeline in terms of the delivery. We are still in the implementation phases, but it's gone really well this far, and I think probably by the end of this month they'll all be live.
Obviously there's varying different approaches to expenses and how it's been done already, so we've had to sort of agree a method that works both for us as management and also the sort of the end users and the team, and Consilio have been really helpful, and sort of in that approach they've provided us with ideas and solutions that we can use that they may have previously used that has worked, you know, in a similar environment, so it's been really good.
I think one of the things we try and assist with is, obviously too often clients may want to apply a system or software over a process that doesn't necessarily work, and software doesn't fix or change the behaviour of staff. So I think it's something we have discussed and worked through, that staff end users need to understand why we are making the changes, what are the drivers behind the decisions that have been taken, so that message can be clearly communicated, and then they will ultimately utilise the software ahead, you know, as they should, and Concur rollout will be ultimately a success.
From our perspective, we first went out and said we want expenses first, then invoice, which is happening. More recently, I've also said that we probably need travel as part of it, because our people travel quite a lot. And the more I've spoken to Concur and Consilio about it, they're like, yep, we can do that, we can offer that. So we'll do expenses, then invoices, then travel, hopefully all within 2023, but we'll see how we progress, yeah.